Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is arguably the best windshield protector from rocks and harsh weather out there, the EcoNour windshield cover for ice and snow. If you're tired of dealing with cracked windshields, frost-covered glass, or hours spent scraping ice and snow, this product might just change your winter mornings forever. The EcoNour windshield cover is built with a heavy-duty 600D Oxford fabric, which is known for its durability and resistance. This fabric not only shields your windshield from rocks and debris but also prevents ice, snow, frost, and sleet from accumulating on your glass. That means no more frozen windshields or clogged wiper blades, saving you time and effort before you hit the road. The soft inner lining is designed to protect your windshield from scratches, so you can rest assured that your glass stays in pristine condition even as you use the cover daily. One of the standout features of this cover is its design for a secure fit. It includes side flaps that you tuck into your car doors, which helps hold the cover firmly in place. Additionally, double elastic straps wrap around your side view mirrors to make sure it stays put, even on windy days. The side panel flaps also serve as an anti-theft measure, preventing the cover from being easily removed by anyone passing by. This combination ensures the cover won't blow away or get stolen, giving you peace of mind. Installation is straightforward and hassle-free. Simply place the cover over your windshield, tuck the flaps into the doors, and secure the elastic straps around the mirrors. It's compact enough to fold into a small pouch, so storing it when not in use is convenient and space-saving. Plus, it's portable, making it easy to carry around or switch between vehicles. The EcoNour windshield cover isn't just for winter either. It's designed for all-season use, providing dust protection in the spring and guarding against fallen leaves in the autumn. It's waterproof and windproof, so it shields your windshield from rain and other harsh weather conditions throughout the year. Whether you have a car, SUV, truck, or van, this cover comes in multiple sizes, including medium, which measures 69 by 42 inches, to fit a wide range of vehicles. The product weighs just under 2 pounds, making it light enough for anyone to handle without hassle. And with its enhanced Oxford fabric, you get a cover that's tough, tear-resistant, and made to last through many seasons of use. In summary, the EcoNour windshield cover for ice and snow offers comprehensive windshield protection from rocks, ice, snow, frost, and weather-related damage. Its durable material, secure fit with anti-theft flaps, and easy installation make it a must-have winter accessory for any vehicle owner looking to save time and protect their windshield investment. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're interested in a reliable, all-weather windshield protector, the EcoNour cover is definitely worth checking out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product reviews and practical recommendations. See you in the next video.